come forward. Yep. Oh, whoop. Okay. All right, now.
I guess I'm leaning too much on that.
Yeah.
I'm Kevin.
And I'm Stacy.
We've recently become empty nesters and started a new phase of our life.
Adventure.
We're not full-time RVers.
Although I would really like to be.
Or full-time travelers.
I would like that too. But we are full-time job working people, making the most out of any moment that we have.
We love adventures and sharing with others.
Our goal is to live life fully enjoying and cherishing every moment that we have.
Our motto is to be free in everything you do.
So join us as we celebrate life by appreciating every adventure that we are blessed with. Be free.
Be free.
This weekend's adventure is in Savannah, Georgia.
We decided to do a Segway tour. How hard can it be? Look at this little guy.
We are here in Savannah, Georgia, and we are getting ready to go on a Segway tour, which we have never done before and are very excited because we've been in Savannah several times and never done really, well, we have done some sightseeing like with field trips and whatnot, but we're going to be doing the Segway tour.
We booked our Segway tour with Old Town Trolley Tours. I've never ridden a Segway before, and I thought I was good at stand-up paddleboarding, and you saw the last video on that, so hopefully I'm better at the Segway.
Here's one bummer with the Segway tour is you have to sign that you won't video or do anything while you're on the Segway, so you don't get to see us on the Segway.
Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to put pressure in your toes for me and move forward. Okay, come forward. Yep. Oh, whoop. Okay. All right, now.
I guess I'm leaning too much on that.
Yeah. What you're going to do is just lightly bring it back to center. Okay? And you don't have to jerk it. If you jerk it, you're going to jerk yourself off. Okay? So come on forward. There you go. Come forward.
Right.
Okay, so we're going to head more this way. This way.
Keep going.
You could actually fall and injure yourself seriously. Because actually, if you get on or off, sometimes.
So the Segway tour ended up being a really great way to see Savannah in a different way than we'd ever done before.
Driving was a little different because you had to tilt to turn, not twist.
Our tour guide took us all the way around the city, the squares. We got to learn about the history. We got to learn about different things about Savannah. We tried some really awesome food.
He was very knowledgeable, just really passionate about the history of Savannah, so it really was engaging and a lot of fun.
I noticed that you just wanted to talk about how you had to tilt. Were you trying to like justify the first clip?
Yes, because I was trying to twist, and you cannot twist, you have to tilt.
We had a great time in Savannah. There's so much to do in Savannah. Really, it's a city that you can just meets anybody's personality, and there's so much history, there's so many different options for eating, and wonderful food, and just really neat places.
Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the Segway tours. We're done. You know, we couldn't take the camera on there, which was a very good thing because they are not as easy as they look. It was a bit scary at times, and I'm a little surprised that that they allow you to do that. But anyway, we had a good time. Rick was our tour guide. He was great. It was a lot of fun, and we're definitely glad that we did it. So we are going to be free.
Be free.